Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term Deism. Introduction. Deism emerged as a prominent mode of religious thinking during the European Enlightenment in the latter 17th and 18th centuries. It was characterized by a profound faith in human reason and a rejection of revealed religion, advocating for a rational and naturalistic understanding of the divine and the universe. This video will explore the key features of Deism, its opposition to revealed religions, and its influence on Enlightenment thinkers. Origins and core tenets of Deism. Deism can be succinctly described as religion without revelation. It sought to establish a religious worldview solely based on human reason and natural evidence rather than accepting religious truths revealed in specific scriptures. The core tenets of Deism included existence of a deity. Deists believed in the existence of a divine being, often referred to as the creator or supreme being. They arrived at this belief through rational inquiry, observing the complexity and order of the natural world. Universality of religious truths. Deists argued that fundamental religious truths were universal and could be found in various religions across different cultures and time periods. They saw these universal truths as evidence of their rational validity. Natural religion. Deists promoted the idea of natural religion, which emphasized the capacity of human reason to understand the divine and derive moral principles from the observation of the natural order. Moral values. Deists believed that the divine being established moral principles and that these principles could be discerned through human reason. They emphasized the importance of virtuous behavior and ethical conduct. Personal worship. While deists acknowledged the existence of a deity, they often rejected the notion of organized religious institutions and rituals, advocating for a more personal and individualistic form of worship. Rejection of revealed religions. One of the defining features of Deism was its rejection of revealed religion. Revealed religions such as Christianity, Judaism, and Islam were based on the belief that divine truths were revealed through sacred scriptures to specific individuals or groups at particular times and places. Deists considered these claims of divine revelation as incompatible with reason and the universal nature of truth. Deists argued that revealed religions often contained elements of superstition, myth, and dogma, which they saw as contrary to the principles of reason and natural religion. Instead of relying on specific scriptures, deists turned to the natural world and human reason as sources of divine knowledge. They saw the universe as a grand testament to the existence of a creator, and they believed that by studying the natural order, humans could discern moral principles and understand their ethical duties. Influence on Enlightenment thinkers. Deism had a significant impact on Enlightenment thinkers who embraced its emphasis on reason, skepticism, and universal truths. Prominent Enlightenment figures such as Voltaire, Thomas Paine, and Thomas Jefferson were influenced by deistic ideas and incorporated them into their writings and philosophical works. Voltaire, a French philosopher and writer, championed deistic principles and criticized religious intolerance and dogmatism. Thomas Paine, an English-American political activist, expressed deistic views in his work The Age of Reason, which sharply questioned the authenticity of biblical revelations and advocated for a rational religion. Conclusion. In conclusion, Deism emerged during the European Enlightenment as a mode of religious thinking that prioritized human reason and rejected revealed religions. Its core tenets emphasized the existence of a rational deity, the universality of religious truths, and the importance of moral values derived from natural observation. By rejecting dogma and superstition, these sought to establish a more rational and universal understanding of the divine and human morality. The influence of Deism extended beyond its time, shaping the thinking of Enlightenment individuals and contributing to the broader intellectual movement of the era. So this was the discussion on the term Deism. If you have any questions or doubts, you can ask in the comment section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.